how to log in to Hancock Whitney Bank online account. So if you want to log in to Hancock Whitney Bank online account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Hancock Whitney login. And after searching that, here on the first search you will have www.hancockwhitney.com. Click on that. And now here on the right side you will have a login page. So if you want to log into your account, then first you have to select your account type. You can simply click on the drop down bar and then you can choose your account type. Like I'll be choosing personal online banking, and then you have to enter your personal online banking username. And after entering your username, you have to simply enter your password. But if you're facing a problem while you log in, or if you can't log into your account, then you can simply click on can't log in, and then you can get some help on how to log in. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go to enroll now and then you can create your account. So after entering your username and password, you have to click on view your account and your account will be logged in. So that's it guys, that's how you log into your Hancock Whitney online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.